Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Docker Desktop in Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Docker Desktop from your Windows machine, begin by closing any running instances of Docker. Locate the Docker icon in your system tray, right-click on it, and select Quit Docker Desktop. Next, open the Start menu by clicking the Windows icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. Type Add or Remove Programs in the search bar and select it from the results. In the Add or Remove Programs window, scroll through the list to find Docker Desktop. Click on Docker Desktop to reveal additional options. Select the Uninstall button that appears. A confirmation window will pop up asking if you are sure you want to uninstall Docker Desktop. Click Uninstall again to proceed with the removal process. Wait for the uninstallation to complete, which may take a few moments. Once the uninstallation is complete, you may want to restart your computer. After the restart, open the Start menu again and search for any remaining Docker components. Type Docker in the search bar and ensure no Docker-related programs are still installed. If you find any remnants, repeat the uninstallation process for each one. Once all components are removed, check if Docker folders still exist in your user profile and program files. Navigate to the following directory, C:\program files. Look for a Docker folder and delete it if present. You may also want to check C:\users \your username \appdata /local and C:\users /your. Delete any Docker folders found in those locations as well. Finally, you have successfully uninstalled Docker Desktop from your Windows machine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.